All right, so let me break this down for you. You know how drones used to be just these cool little gadgets for filming your kid's soccer game or racing your buddies at the park? Yeah, not anymore. Now drones are turning into these insane tools of surveillance and warfare, and it's straight out of a sci-fi nightmare. Did you hear about those weird drone sightings over New Jersey? Shutting down airports, buzzing around military bases, and no one knows who's behind it. That's next level creepy, man. And here's the kicker. People are saying this could just be the warm-up act. Like, what if this is step one of some bigger attack, a decapitation strike with drones leading the way? And imagine an EMP going off, wiping out power grids. Total chaos. It's a wild world we're living in, and you've got to be ready. Let's talk about how you survive if drones come for you. Number one, take cover. First thing, you've got to get out of the open. Drones thrive in wide open spaces where they can spot you easily. You need to find cover. Thick vegetation, trees, bushes, anything that breaks up your outline. The more tangled and dense, the better. Drones can't see through that stuff easily. Buildings or bunkers, hard cover is your friend. Get under something solid. If you can go underground, even better. But keep in mind, if a drone knows where you are, it might drop something nasty, like a grenade. Stay mobile. If hiding's not an option, keep moving. Don't be predictable. Zigzag. Blend in with the surroundings. Make yourself hard to track. Number two, use camouflage. Drones don't just use cameras. They've got infrared sensors to pick up your heat signature. So here's what you do. Thermal blankets. Mylar blankets can hide your body heat. Wrap yourself up like you're a baked potato, and it makes you harder to spot. Get dirty. Mud, leaves, anything that helps you blend in. Think Predator movie vibes. You're camouflaging yourself from both visible and thermal detection. Stay still. Movements like ringing a dinner bell. Stay put and keep your heat signature low. Number three, confuse the swarm. Here's the crazy thing about drone swarms. They're like a hive mind. They work together using algorithms, and you can mess with that. Decoys. Throw out decoys or launch something to distract them. If they're programmed to avoid collisions, you might even get them to crash into each other. Study them. Watch how they move. Are they dodging obstacles? Use that. Set traps. Block their paths. It's like playing 4D chess. Environmental tricks. Lead them into tight spaces or places they can't navigate well. You're using their programming against them. Number four, fight back. If it comes down to it, you might have to go full Rambo. Here's how you can take the fight to the drones. Guns. A shotgun is your best bet. A rifle can work too, but drones are small and fast. Aim for the rotors or cameras. Those are their weak spots. Improvised weapons. Nets, slingshots, whatever you've got. If you can snag a drone out of the air, it's game over for that one. Stay smart. Don't just shoot wildly. You've got limited resources, so make every shot count. Number five, jam their signals. Most drones rely on GPS or radio signals to operate. If you can mess with those signals, you're golden. Portable jammers. You can buy signal jammers online. They're not super powerful, but they'll do the job in close quarters. EMPs. Now, an EMP is like the holy grail of drone defense. The military's working on these big systems that can zap entire swarms. For now, though, we've got to work with what we've got. Hackback. If you've got the tech skills, you might be able to take control of the drone. That's next level stuff, though. The road ahead. Look, the technology isn't going away. Drones are getting smarter, faster, and harder to stop. But that doesn't mean you're helpless. Whether it's learning how to hide, using decoys, or jamming their signals, there are ways to level the playing field. Governments are building systems to deal with this stuff on a big scale, but at the end of the day, survival's on you. So stay sharp, stay prepared, and don't get caught off guard. The future's looking more like a dystopian movie every day, but with the right mindset and tactics, you can make it through. Just remember, outsmart the tech and stay ahead of the swarm.